This is the combination with the Contra Passo lateral and the Esquiva Recuada. We have got both of those exercises separately on the learn section, so take a look before you try to combine them. So I'm going to start from the ginga position. My right leg will be at the back, so I bring that right leg forward in the parallel position, and then I do my Contra Passo. And I'm going to go straight into my Esquiva Recuada. As I bring my leg back, I lowering myself so I can put my hand flat on the floor. And now when I come back, I do the same process on the other side. So left leg comes to the middle, do the Contra Passo straight into the Esquiva Recuada. So I'm gonna just be alternating the side without any ginga. So as you can see, my hands are flat, my back legs on my toes, my knees are not touching on the floor, my hands are flat, and the other hand is blocking my face as you do on the Esquiva Recuada. And then you can add more momentum into it. If you have space, you can hop higher, you can travel more. It all depends on how much space you have. I hope that helped, and I see you on the next one.